Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. Welcome to MA Quick Tips. What is measure? What is the measure of a phaser? What can we do with that? So for this, I'm going to create a small phaser like dimmer to 100% and the second step dimmer to 30%. So now it's going to move and I'm going to change it as in PWM that we can see it better. What I'm going to do now is to change the speed of 120 beats per minute. So I'm going to speed here and then let's enter 120 BPM. You can see now in the phase editor that it will stay perfectly in sync because the width of step 1 is 100% and the width of step 2 is also on 100%. But what is now if I'm going to change the width, for example, for step 1? Now you can see the blue line is moving and that means that we have now a change in the BPM. So the first step is now only 34% of 120 beats per minute and the second step will just stay in sync with 100%. So now it will desynchronize itself and will shortly be out of sync. What can we do now to stay in sync even if we add a third step or if we add 64 steps? This is where we have to use the measure button. If we are going to use measure, so now let's add a measure of 2 and now you can see the blue bar is again in the middle, and even if we are going to add a third step, for example to 60%, now you can see these 3 steps will stay in sync of 120 BPM with a measure of 2. You can also use this creatively, maybe to divide our BPM by 4 or to speed it up. So you can say 0.5. Now it's doubled up the speed. So this is the measurement in phasers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.